Sinarest AF Syrup is a widely renowned product produced by leading pharmaceutical company Centaur. This syrup is specifically formulated to provide relief from common colds and allergic symptoms, catering primarily to children who often face such ailments. The syrup contains a harmonious blend of ingredients designed to work effectively. Its formulation typically includes a combination of chlorpheniramine for allergy relief and phenylephrine, which acts as a decongestant. Together, these ingredients help in clearing nasal passages, reducing discomfort, and allowing children to breathe more easily. The Sinarest AF Syrup is available in a convenient bottle size, providing a rich volume of 100 milliliters, which ensures parents have enough supply for their little ones. This quantity makes it an ideal choice for families, ensuring sufficient doses are available during the cold and flu season. The maximum retail price, MRP, of Sinarest AF Syrup is quite reasonable, making it accessible to many households. The affordability of this syrup aligns with its efficacy, ensuring families can manage children's health without financial burden. Parents may wonder if this product is easily available online. Yes, Sinarest AF Syrup can conveniently be found on various e-commerce platforms and health websites. This accessibility enhances the ease with which parents can procure this product, especially during peak illness months. Sinarest AF is beneficial specifically for children suffering from cold or allergies, providing them much-needed relief. For dosage, it is crucial to follow pediatricians' recommendations, generally ranging based on age and weight. The benefits of this syrup are numerous. It not only alleviates symptoms, but also helps children regain comfort swiftly, allowing them to return to their playful selves. Its combined action addresses both nasal congestion and discomfort, making it a must-have during flu season. However, as with any medication, it's vital to be aware of potential side effects. While Sinarest AF is largely well tolerated, some children may experience drowsiness, dry mouth, or mild dizziness. Guardians should monitor their children's response to the medication and consult a healthcare provider if side effects occur. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on health and wellness products for your family.